Hi, Crafty fam. Welcome. Today we are going to paint my nails with Mickey. So, what I have, the color that I have one roll Christmas stone, and I have a color green, white, red, and silver with silver sparkle. I also have green sparkle and, well, sorry. Okay, let's get started. So, I'm going to do maybe red, silver, white, and green sparkle. So red, white, silver sparkle, and then, or red, silver sparkle, white, green sparkle. I think that's what I will do. So, I'm going to open it all up like that. Stick them well. Oh, here in the stickers. I also have windows for them somewhere. White, and then green with green sparkle. Hold on. So, now red for pink, silver sparkle, white, green, and then we'll do red at the end as well. So, red nail, ta-da! Silver, already. Ta-da! And then white, simple white. Or let's flip. No, I'm white right up the purple. White. And then green. So, I am to be right back. I'm gonna blow dry me, and I don't want you to, or headphone users, because I'll be right back. I'm gonna add the gold as well to be my thumb. And I'm gonna blow dry me, paint them just like so, and I'll be right back. So, now I'm gonna put the sparkle on the silver. No, I get more. So I'm painting, applying, and some silver sparkle to this nail. Here. There we go. Ta-da! Now I'm going to do the same with the green nail. Maybe if this is really old. I just need a little bit, friend. I just need a little bit. I just need a little bit. I just need a little bit. I haven't used this since the last nail video I did. If you haven't watched Vlogmas Day 5, my Christmas room tour, hit that button after or done watching this video. So I am the worldwide hand, but I'm gonna try to peel and scissor off these fun Christmas nail stickers my mom got me. Thanks, Mom. So I am gonna, I think I'm gonna try to like I'm gonna make sure the white nail is wet. I'm gonna try add handy thing. Maybe. I did grab windows. I did. Hey. No. You want these windows? I did have windows. Where are they? I'll find it on a nail we have here. I'm gonna add this on the white nail. Kind of fluffy, but it's still cute. That's like it. That right now, there we go. Ta-da! A little hand painted nail sticker. Like out of here on the door. Maybe with me luck. No. Or fell. No, I want to try add this ear. And you can't even tell that much. I think I'm not gonna do anymore. And yeah. So I'm gonna blow dry my nails and put the base coat on the other side, and I'll be right back with the outro and the finished product. So here are the finished product. A silver purple red white with a hand paint on it. Green purple and then gold with a here. Ta-da! And now I'm gonna put on the hot coat. I'm gonna use that off camera so if you enjoy this vlogmas day, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below how you enjoying vlogmas so far. And hit that big red button down there. And hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video tomorrow, every day this month. Bye, Crafty fam!